How to fix TikTok account suspended. Is your TikTok account suspended? Here's how you can submit an appeal to TikTok support. First, open a web browser and go to TikTok support. Scroll down and select Privacy and User Safety. Then open How to Report and select Report a Problem. Scroll down and find the online reporting form. In the form, select Account Access and Security. Then choose the relevant account or security category available to you. Enter your TikTok username and a contact email address where TikTok can reach you. In the Tell Us More section, explain that you believed your account was suspended by mistake and provide any relevant details. Also, if you have a screenshot showing the suspension message, attach it to your report. Review your information, accept the required confirmations, and tap Submit. Now, wait for TikTok support to review your appeal and respond to your contact email. Keep in mind that submitting an appeal doesn't guarantee that a suspension will be removed. The final decision depends on TikTok's review. If this guide helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more TikTok tips and troubleshooting tutorials.